how I created this beautiful icicle cracked nail art look. So on a full cover tip, you flip it upside down, then apply a generous amount of nail glue. You can use clear gel polish or builder gel, but it has to be clear. Definitely don't be shy on this, use a generous amount for a more dramatic effect. Then what I did next is grab some cling film. I tore off a little piece of it, pop it over the nail so it covers the nail and the gel. Then I grab my wooden stick and gently press in the cling film into the gel. Definitely don't overpress it because it won't have a realistic look otherwise. So I go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And after it's done, I gently peel back the cling film and file off any edges and extras. And ta-da! It's quick and easy just like that. And now I'm definitely not going to leave it like that because you can see where it cuts off. So I'll be filling all this out just to blend it all through and make it seamless. And this colour you're seeing right now is like a milky white. I created it myself. So I added a drop of white and mixed it with base coat. And it creates a milky white. So as you can see, I blended it through into the cracked design, and now I'm doing this beautiful dotted technique snowflake. When it's Christmas time, this time of year, I literally love doing snowflakes. There's so many different ways you can do snowflakes. But I have to say, this is like one of the best ways, and it turns out really cute. And you definitely cannot forget a bit of bling as it brings a whole nail art design together. And to finish it all off, I'm using a glossy top coat to give it that extra sparkle. And definitely remember to top coat the back. And voila, that is how I created an icicle cracked nail effect.